Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best video editing desktops that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a professional editor or a content creator just starting out, we've got options for every budget and need. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below for more details. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 4 is the Aliexpress desktop, a competitively priced option for light video editing and general multitasking. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 5600 GT processor with 6 cores and 12 threads, it delivers solid performance with a base clock of 3.6 GHz. Paired with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 1 TB NVMe SSD. This desktop ensures quick load times and smooth operation for lightweight video editing tasks and basic 1080p workflows. The design is simple yet functional, featuring RGB lighting that you can customize using the included remote control. Its efficient quad-copper air cooling system keeps the system running at optimal temperatures, which is great for longer editing sessions. However, its integrated Radeon Vega 7 graphics may feel underwhelming for professionals needing high-end rendering capabilities, making it more suitable for beginners or hobbyists. The Aliexpress is an excellent value option at $439.99, but it's best suited for users working on smaller projects or those just dipping their toes into video editing. While it won't handle 4K editing or intensive effects as seamlessly as higher-tier systems, it strikes a good balance between affordability and functionality. At number 3, we have the Dell Optiplex 7070 Tower Desktop, a renewed option that offers impressive specs for its price. It's powered by a 9th-gen Intel Core i7-9700 processor with a base clock of 3.4 GHz. Paired with 32 GB of DDR4 RAM for seamless multitasking. The 1 TB SSD ensures fast boot times and quick access to your video projects, making this a reliable choice for intermediate video editing needs. In terms of design, the Optiplex 7070 keeps things simple and professional. It's compact and doesn't feature flashy RGB lighting, which makes it ideal for office or studio environments. One downside is its integrated Intel HD 630 graphics, which limits its performance for GPU-intensive tasks like 3D rendering or 4K editing. However, it's perfect for 1080p workflows and basic video production, priced at $459.99. This renewed model provides excellent value for money, especially considering its 32 GB of RAM. It comes with Windows 11 Pro pre-installed and includes modern connectivity options like Wi-Fi 6. This desktop is best suited for budget-conscious editors who need a capable system for everyday video editing and multitasking without breaking the bank. Securing the second spot on our list is the ViperTech Striker 1.0 gaming PC. Built with an AMD Ryzen 7 2700 processor and an RX 580 graphics card, this desktop offers an 8-core, 16-thread configuration that's perfect for intensive video editing tasks like 4K rendering and multi-layer edits. The 32 GB DDR4 RAM ensures smooth multitasking, while the 1 TB NVMe SSD provides plenty of storage and rapid load times for large video files. The ViperTech Striker stands out with its sleek white case and customizable RGB lighting, adding a touch of personality to your workspace. It's also hand-built and rigorously stress-tested in the USA, which speaks to its quality and reliability. The inclusion of Windows 11 Pro is a bonus for professionals, as it offers enhanced productivity features and better security options. At $599.99, this desktop offers a premium experience at a mid-range price. It's ideal for serious content creators and small production teams who need a machine that can handle demanding editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. The only drawback is its larger footprint, which may not suit smaller desks. But overall, it's a fantastic choice for anyone looking to elevate their video editing workflow. Taking the crown at number 1 is the Dell XPS 8960 desktop, a powerhouse designed for creators who demand top-tier performance. Equipped with a 14th generation Intel Core i7 14700 processor and 32 gigabytes of cutting-edge DDR5 RAM, this desktop delivers unmatched speed and multitasking capabilities. The 1 terabyte SSD ensures you have ample storage for your projects, while the faster DDR5 memory significantly reduces rendering and export times. The XPS 8960 is built with a minimalist yet elegant design and features optimized airflow to keep the system quiet and cool even during heavy workloads. While the integrated Intel UHD 770 graphics may not match the performance of dedicated GPUs, it's still capable of handling most editing tasks, particularly for 1080p and light 4K workflows. Plus, Dell's added services like on-site support and their data migration tool sweeten the deal for professionals. Although the price isn't listed, this desktop is clearly aimed at high-end users who prioritize reliability, upgradability, and cutting-edge technology. It's perfect for editors working on resource-intensive projects or those needing a long-term investment. If you're looking for a future-proof editing rig with excellent support and premium features, the Dell XPS 8960 is a no-brainer. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products, drop a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.